Welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. A question I get asked quite often is, how do I load test my batteries? Well, today I'm going to show you. And before we get started, since we are dealing with batteries, make sure you got your personal protective on. We want to make sure we got glasses, gloves, and anything else that you feel is necessary to protect yourself. In saying that, let's get started. First thing I have here is my voltmeter. We will set it on DC volts. That's a straight line with the little dashes underneath it. Next, we will get our leads. Our positive is red, negative is black. We will find our first battery positive, which has got a wire coming off and going to your solenoid. And your battery number 6 negative has a wire coming off of it going to the controller, because every other battery has got wires connecting them. These are the only two that do not. So what we'll do is touch our leads of the batteries. 36.8 here. Now that is our surface charge. To load test our battery pack, once you get the car lifted and on jack stands for your safety, put it in forward, turn the key switch on, and depress the accelerator. We will depress the accelerator by 80%. And 36.4 is our load value of the battery pack. Now, if you want to know about each battery, in case that was 34, 33 or lower, once again, depress the accelerator and do the positive and negative of each battery. That will show you the load value of each battery. If these were 8-volt batteries, the terminals would be on the same side and you would want the reading above 7.9. Since these are 6-volt batteries, you want the voltage 5.9 or higher. Anything below that, it's kind of like a threshold. We need to really concern replacing that battery. Now this car here has 6 6-volt batteries. Therefore, it's 36 volt. When I check these batteries individually, I want to make sure that the battery voltage is 5.9 or greater. If this happened to be a 48 volt golf car, the batteries, you would have had 6 8 volts. At 6 8 volts, you want your batteries to maintain a 7.9 or greater. If you have a car that has 4 12s, then you want 11.9 or greater. That will ensure you getting where you're going and getting back. If you're unsure what voltage your golf car is or which battery setup you have, check the link below to our video on what voltage is my golf car. That'll help you decide exactly what you have. Another way to check your total battery's voltage is to go through your charger receptacle. There's 2 pins in there, and we'll put our positive and negative from the voltmeter inside those 2 pins. Let's give that a shot. Now when checking through the charger receptacle, you'll make sure you put the red with the white wire, the black with the black wire. That'll give you your positive reading. Another way you can always check to determine which one is positive and negative out of your charger receptacle is to look at the back side of it. You'll have a wire leaving it and going to your battery positive one, and another one coming out going to your battery negative on number 6. That'll give you a great indication of which one is which. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.